I love your coloring. Oh, cutie. I'm gonna get covered in cobwebs like your uncle. You're getting somewhere in the barn. You were out going than your uncle? Going than your uncle? Hey, girl. Good girl. Good girl. Have some more food? Oh, pot time. Yeah. Oh, check out the umbrella. Checking out the umbrella. Oh, you're pretty. You're cute. So cute. That's a little mark on your head. It's my phone. It's my phone. I'm sure the camera got it, but that was my tummy. Oh, look at that stretch. Look at that stretch. No? Hi, Gavin. Hi, Gavin. You're a good boy. So yesterday, Saturday the 11th, we ended up getting 2 brand new barn cats, and I did end up posting a little short of one of them and that. So what we ended up doing and stuff was we bought a few things to help out with them. That, so we do have bought a couple of things from my other place and stuff, but they are hidden at the moment because we didn't realize we were getting cats this quickly. So in this box is just a few of the things we got. Nice little 1 cup scoop for their feed. Especially with it getting close to winter, we did buy a heated pet bowl. Also bought a large cat house. And box. That's 2 boxes of cat litter. So tonight we probably won't be having a litter box set up, only because the litter box are in the sea container, which also has metal food bowls. So I am currently, you can see them. I am currently using 2 old Hershey feed bowls with food and water. So tonight I will set up their heated bucket, and I will be clearing off at this countertop that I did the horses feed on, and I will set up their stuff on there. I also actually bought a little bit of meat for them as a treat. So get these 2 boxes out. Some leg room. Knocking the camera over. Nope, not quite. Hi, I see your tail, Maria. Baby girl. Baby girl. This open. Very nice and long cord. This is a nice little instruction booklet. Well, it's 2.2 liters. Waterproof indicator lights. 5.5 feet power line, still wrapped true resistant. Which probably what makes it really nice for kittens. Provide it drinkable water in sub-freezing temperature. Use it both indoor and outdoor for winter. Dogs, cats, chickens, birds, squirrels, rabbits, or other animals. Right amount of water into the bowl. Step 1. Take the plastic off. Cord. Sorry about that. The water hose decided to have a little party. Plug in the socket, light will be on and the bowl will start working. It does give 5-minute warnings. Just don't put the bowl near heat sources or flammables. Check the power line before use, which I did as I uncoiled it. Unplug the power cord when it's not in use. If any crack or damage, immerse it in liquid. Actually cute because it has a few pictures of the animals that you can use it for. And for safekeeping, so I don't use it, not that I should need it, but just to be on the safe side, I'm just going to put this little stand. And then we will move the water. In here does have this little light on, and that means it's getting power and silly heating. So far at nighttime, it has not been getting cold enough for any of the water buckets and the shelves to freeze or get a very heavy layer. I think there's just been like one morning where it's been a very, very light sheen of ice on the water top outside. So I'll just leave it in plugged in for a little bit now and stuff. But right now I haven't put anyone in. So once I get them, hey Maria. Oh, stretch, stretch, stretch. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Oh, do spook you. You might not see her, but Maria's just behind the tripod. And then, so when I do come back in later tonight to feed them, I will unplug it. And then, and stuff, just so that we don't overuse the goodness. Hey, girl. Maria. Hey, Maria. Hi, girl. Oh, you thirsty? And just to get them a treat, a little bit of a treat, fancy beast. We do also have some dewormers coming for them and stuff. And it's dewormers, which is nice that I can mix them with a little bit of feed or water for them. So you can all just use meat. Nice little can. And eventually we will be having a bar fridge in here. So when I open them, I'll probably bring little sandwich Ziploc bags to close them in, just so that the odor doesn't get into the fridge. And that, but I'm thinking with 2 cats, and when we get a few kittens, it won't take very long to go through one of these. So not gonna set it up right this second because I do want to come back out and actually do this a bit of a clean. Yeah. Feet's up here. Want to see your feet? Hey, little girl. Hey. Hi. You're so fluffy. You're fluffy. Want to see your food? Eat your food. Eat your food. Eat your food. Eat your food. Want a little bit of meat? Hey, sweetie. What's that? Oh, good girl. Checking it all out, girl. You have your coloring still. Need some more a little bit later? Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Did you take out the water? Did you take out the water? Checking it all out. Good girl. I gotta go. Where's another? Oh, I need Soda's food bowl, which is outside. more down there. Yeah, good girl. Thinking it all out, girl. Hi, Gavin. Chasing each other, Maria? Hi. again, with it getting close to winter, we did buy this heated house. But everything that you have seen in this video, we got from Amazon. Hey Maria, did you check it out? Did you check it out? I cannot get your tail. Get here. Okay. This is day 3 with her and her uncle. Oh my gosh, this did very well. Of course, this is also in my favorite color blue. And the components out. In case if you do like anything that I am showing, I will have a link of them in the description box down below. See if you can find any. It's Juliet. Here's the instructions. The heated cat house. Okay, this is part of the pot that goes inside of it. This is high temp protected, auto thermostat control, PX for waterproof, shoe cord, 12 by 15 inch heated pet heating pad, turn on, electrical product, read all directions and precautions carefully before operating. Failure to properly follow all directions and instructions may lead to electrical shock or of a fire, which could cause a serious bodily injury. So it has a nice little how to test section. Plug in the power, can sit on the heating pad, in 15 to 30 minutes, you feel the temperature of the heating pad. There's the 4 little steps that they can use to test it. Warranty. Cautions. Please read the instruction manual carefully to ensure correct operation. I think it's just this by the looks of it. To be sure to follow this operation because it is related to your safety. For 110 to 120 volts AC, use it. Please be sure to monitor parents. Not pierce the main piece of this product to prevent leakage. Cord or plug is damaged. Do not use it anymore. 7. When cleaning this mat, please remove the cloth cover and wash it separately. Okay. And that's one thing. Sadly, at my other place, we had a green one. And I'm not sure if it's in any of my videos, but if it is, that's one thing that I was definitely not very cognizant of myself, which I regret and didn't wash. This one, I will definitely be taking better care of it. But other fillers in the heat blanket. Not disassemble this product for other use. Self-use, please unplug the power plug in time. Using it, do not accumulate objects on the mat surface. The above problems occur. Hey, Gavin. You good boy? A little bit nervous. And the Allen key with the little screws in here. And in a minute, I will bring it closer in case if you guys can't see it. And at top, if a problem occur, please contact our customer service mainly. Right. So you can also get it as a single house or double house. We end up getting double house. Right. So I am going to be right back, but I think I need a star screwdriver. Hey, girl. I will be right back. I need to go grab something from the house. I'm gonna go do that. So that is the piece that we use the Allen key for, and all 4 of these pieces have 2 each. I think I found the right star screwdriver. I don't think I'd cut you, but I don't want to chance it. Just fits. Looks like it's 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Line the holes as shown in the diagram. Okay, so it looks like they sit on the legs. Oh. So based on picture 6, and do so on this piece. Let's see. Out the house. Whoop. Okay. Oh, it gives it a nice little flap. Alright. So, we're going to do. that hole like that. And inside. Might have to see if there's actually a video on YouTube of them doing it, because it doesn't seem quite right, unless they need to be maybe in a specific way. Oh, you're fine, Maria. Thank you. So, as you guys can see, it is put together. I was really hoping to show the video of me putting it together, but it was a little bit more than I could handle and stuff. The instructions are pretty good at describing how to do it. I think the only thing they're missing is specs. A minute. Anything get out of here? Is the first step. I didn't bring the sheet back up. First step was the legs. Just make it underneath. Raise it. Is you would line it up the holes. But one step it didn't say that I wouldn't even have thought of was to put the base in first. So from the start of the video, I saw me with the screwdriver trying to put the screws into the legs, which works no problem. But as soon as I went to go lift the house would come up, but the legs would not. So I took it to my mom when I said I was trying to find a video. And for some reason I decided to put this in, and it made sense. So this is the heated pad. And And then this piece can come off and then you can wash it. So again, which I'm hoping to do a lot more. As one hole, which is where the cord comes out. And the roof is Velcro, so I'm just gonna go put this back on. It's found the food and water. Hey, Gavin. Hey, check it out. You a good boy? Hey, Maria. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Oh, you're fun. Joseph, put in. So the flap, they can't come in, and again, it is Velcroed. Let's see, in our last house that we had at my other place and stuff, it didn't come in. They're comfy. Yeah, comfy. Oh, what's your uncle doing? What's your uncle doing? And then you can even walk through this. And with that, I'm just gonna put this in place. I do try to go about in the middle of it. But right there, hold it into place. Any further ado, here is the heated cactus. And that. So I'm just gonna go get a cloth and clean off the counter before I sit on it, and then I will do a little picture of cactus, food, and water bowl beside each other. I'm not 100% sure what the Allen key is for, but it just like with the instructions for the heated water bowl, I will put it in the tier cabinet just to be on the safe side in case if I do need it for something else. Cats are chasing each other. Stretch, handsome, stretch. And your knees up too. What were you taking it out up there, girl? Good girl. You are. Oh, you're a very good girl. want to stuff this out, Gavin? On va ici. Well, that was a little anticlimactic. Did you find it? And a different type of cat toys. With a little bell in it. Kevin. Ooh. Good show for toys. Right along your tail, Gavin. Hey, Maria. Actually, carrying the ball, girl. About to say, you're not about to drop it in my shoe, are you? Where'd it go? Where'd the ball go? Oh, there he is. That's my shoe you're on. That's my shoe. Shoe that you keep tripping on. Hi. Hey, pretty girl.